morning, National Dayers. It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Wednesday, January 5th. Happy National Whipped Cream Day.
On January 5th, add a little extra something special to desserts to celebrate National Whipped Cream Day. Add whipped cream. Not only does it add creaminess and a bit of pizzazz, but it also makes the difference between the ho-hum or celebration kind of beverage or dessert. This holiday falls on Ready Whip founder Aaron Bunny Lapin's birthday, January 5th, 1914. Lapin invented Ready Whip in 1948, and the holiday celebrates whipped cream's contribution to the dessert world. While most often sweetened and flavored with vanilla, whipped cream dresses up desserts with other flavors too, with a hint of coffee or chocolate or the zing of orange or mint. Whipped cream adds a delightfulness to pies, cakes, and beverages. Of course, we call it by other names too, such as chantilly cream or cream chantilly, milk snow, or snow cream. Enjoy your favorite treat today using whipped cream. Today is also National Keto Day, National Screen Writers Day, and National Bird Day.
Today's shout out goes out to Ms. Wilhite and everyone in the 9th through 11th grade Mid-MOID classroom in Stone Mountain High School in Stone Mountain, Georgia. I heard you guys watch my show every day, and that means so much to me. Thank you for your support, and I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, would you like to get your class's shout out? Just complete the Google form. The link can be found below in the description. Okay, National Dayers, no matter how you whip it, whipped cream is delicious on food or in a drink. It is so yummy. You guys like my new mug? What I got for Christmas, because we all know I am a cat mom. Love my cats. All right, so I'm gonna drink my hot cocoa with my whipped cream on top because it is chilly outside, and you all are going to have some too, I hope, today. You're going to keep smiling. Have a wonderful Wednesday, right? And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, whipped cream mustache.